So hi, I'm Michela Lee and I'm going to talk about how to reduce the amount of plastic in oceans. I'm interested in this topic because one day I was watching Instagram when an advertisement come out to follow an organization that cleans the world's beaches. So I was started to see the account and I found some photos of animals entangled in the plastic and others eating it. So it was very sad for me, and I started to look for ways to reduce the amount of plastic that I consume. So, as you know, the plastic is used to manufacture different containers or objects such as cigarette, glasses, bags, among others. This material has a long life cycle. This term refers to the time it takes from this production to the end of his life. That is until it disintegrates. As you can see in the graph, this problem starts from about the 50s when the mass production of plastic began. Since this year, there has been a constant increase in the production of plastic. However, between 2000 and 2015, there was a dramatic increase in the production of plastic. This due to the uncontrolled use of this material. Due to this, since plastic is one of the most used materials in the world, its controlled use has caused much of this material to end up in the rivers and oceans, which cause the pollution of Colombian ecosystems. So, I should point out that one person in Colombia consumes 24 kilos of plastic per year. And what is the problem? As a result of several factors, such as people lack education about recycling, the government doesn't have control over the management of the garbage. Among other factors, 90% of the beaches of the Atlantic coast are contaminated with microplastics. Dr. Kamar Schuller explains that this accumulation has caused thousands of animals to feed on the garbage by mistake. For instance, approximately 52% of the turtles have eaten plastic. There are also microplastics, which are small plastic particles that remain after the material disintegrates. These particles are consumed by people through the water, affecting their health. It's also important to know that there are 5 islands of garbage around the world. Solutions. There are several solutions to help reduce the amount of plastic in the seas. Usually people like me, for example, don't like to reuse bottles, or we are not into the habit of recycling either. But it is important to take account the benefits of reusing plastic and recycling them. As a result, it will reduce the amount of plastic that reaches the beaches. The government implements new laws on the prohibition of single-use plastic or on the excessive use of plastic. Finally, that organizations campaign to make people aware of the damage that plastic does to the oceans, and organizations use this phrase for its campaign. Say, the plastic you use once tortures the ones forever. This in order to able to carry the message to all the people, and they see how much plastic affects marine ecosystem. Also, it's important that the schools teach to the students the importance and how to reduce, recycle, and reuse. So, these solutions can help to reduce the percentage of plastic in the ocean and beaches. This will save the lives of many animals and especially Colombian colors. Also, people will not consume microplastics and their health will not be at risk. Thank you.